Good morning, students. Today we will learn this book, Savan GK Explorer book with current affairs. Okay, chapter number 1, diverse animals. Okay, so take your page number 5, chapter number 1, diverse animals. So this is the animal's name is also the animals. This is the animals is also the there. So identify the animals after going through the definitions given for them. So also the animals is also the this about vertebrates and invertebrates. So this is first is a fish. Fishes, it lives in water and breathes through gills. Okay. So second is frog. It lives both on land and in the water. So this is frog is in the water. Third, cow. It is an animal with warm blood. Is also the animals. Fourth, bird. It flies in the air. It has feathers. Okay. Fifth is crocodile. It is an animal with cold blood. So, I love students. Thank you for watching.